In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a table in Notewise. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open up one of your notes, and then of course you want to go to the page where you want to add your table. So I'm going to go to my second page over here like this. There we go. And then at the very bottom, you'll be able to see a bunch of different tools. Just go ahead and basically slide towards the right. And then here, you should be able to see this one, which I'm currently holding, which is kind of the table tool. Okay, so tap on it and tap on it again. And when you do that, you'll be able to go ahead and toggle header columns and header rows, and also you'll be able to set the column count, the row count, and then the border width as well as the colors for both fill and the border. So set all this, and then when you've done that, click on the X button up top, and then to actually draw it, make sure that your mode is currently in draw mode. And to do this, you have to basically tap on this button down here at the bottom left next to the undo and redo buttons, and make sure you don't have this arrow down, but you have this kind of swirl. Now when you do that, you can just drag out your table over here like this. So literally just drag on your screen and you'll be able to create your tables like this. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.